today I would like to welcome you to my page, Making Life Breezy. My son Aiden is here helping me today because he is out of school, so he wanted to help. Today we will be unboxing the April 2020 BoxyCharm box. This is my first box, so it's supposed to also contain a free gift inside.
Yay! We love free gifts.
So I open it up, and we have the pink BoxyCharm, and it says, "Hello, Charmers." I got Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. And that's what it looks like. I will definitely be trying that. I also got Hairgurt Almond Honey Hair Mask. So I'm interested to try that and see how it works. It says it helps damaged, fragile, and brittle hair.
That sounds interesting.
I got a Vintage by Jessica Liebeskind in the shade Sparkling Lip Gloss Pink Sequin. Let's show you what it looks like.
That's so glittery.
It looks very
At first, I
light.
thought
It is
was
super light. I
red.
don't know if anybody's gonna be able to see it. But I swatched it anyway, so if you can see, it's more glistening and sparkly than anything. It's got a tiny bit of pink in it. Next, I got Metal Crush, which is Kat Von D. I'm very excited to try Kat Von D. I have not tried Kat Von D, so I'm excited. This is a liquid highlighter. It looks like this.
It looks like a pen, kind
And
of.
it has this little really soft brush on it, so that should be good to use. And it's a pretty color. It is Roseshock is the color, in case anybody was wondering. This is definitely really pretty. I cannot wait to try it. I got, a mini ceramic curling iron. I am very excited for this. Not that anybody can notice with my hair like this today, but I do love to curl my hair. So this is by Sutra. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, it's purple.
Wow.
This is a mini curling iron. I'm really excited to be able to travel with it. If you don't know, my husband is military, but whenever we do get breaks, we like to travel, don't we, Aiden?
Yeah.
He has family all over, and I have family all over, so it is great for traveling. And so I'm excited to try this mini ceramic curling iron. It has a cool tip to it, so that should be nice. And then I have one last thing in here. It says BoxyCharm. It is a Shimmer Pressed Eyeshadow palette. It's got some bright colors on it. I'll swatch a couple of them. Which one should we swatch?
We should swatch this one and blue.
So, I'm going to swatch a couple. On my hand. So,
I can see,
this is the green, blue one. It's called Charmer. This is the pink one. This one was the hardest one to swatch. It did not want to go on good. It's called Swipe Up. And then I also swatched Cup of Joe, which Cup of Joe is probably my favorite out of the three. It swatched the best. The glitter ones had a little trouble swatching, but wasn't terrible. But again, those are the colors. I think they're pretty. I think you could do a lot with them. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe and don't forget to
Give us a big thumbs up.
bye. Have a great day.
Bye.